Here's a pair of the Soundcore V20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to parent connect these directly to a Hisense smart TV. This is the Hisense TV that has Google TV. So the first thing we want to do is put the earbuds in a pairing mode. So let me go ahead and take the earbuds out. And as soon as you take it out, after you wait a few seconds, if it's blinking blue, then that means it's in pairing mode is what we want. But mine turns blue for a little bit, then it just turns off. So for me, let me manually put this in a pairing mode. I'm going to simply place my finger on the logo on top here for a few seconds and just wait until it starts blinking blue. Okay, so do it to both of them. Ready, go. Press and hold. Just wait for a few seconds. There we go. Now it's blinking blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now leave it just like this. Now shoot over to your TV. Go directly to your settings, or you can just navigate from the home page here. Go to the home page, and then just go to your settings. I'm going to go to the gear icon right there, quick settings, and then make sure all settings is highlighted there. Now in the left pane here, we're going to go all the way down to remotes and accessories right there. Go ahead and select that. And now make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then go down to here to pair accessory and go ahead and select that. Now searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is like 30-foot Bluetooth range. The only thing is mine stopped blinking blue here. Okay, so I guess it stopped, is no longer in pairing mode. So let me put these back into pairing mode again. Let me just go ahead and hold both of the logo on both of these. Wait a few seconds. Oh, there you go. It just popped on right there as well. And then I'm going to grab my remote. I'm going to go highlight it, select it. It says pairing. We get a pairing request here. It's highlighted on pair. Go ahead and select that. It says connecting, and voila, it's connected. And there you go. And you can see it says connected right down there. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these or putting in these in pairing mode, you can always factory reset these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.